Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the neural crest and derivatives. So neural crest derivatives, it includes in case of all ganglions, and this includes in case of neural, it includes all ganglions, then all enteric plexus, the Schwann cells and the satellite glial cells, the adrenal medulla and the parafollicular, C cells of the thyroid. Next is the melanoblast and the melanocytes. So the exception, there is an except the RP. RP stands for the retinal pigment epithelium. Now let's look at the mesenchymal. Mesenchymal, it includes the connective tissues. Then comes the bones of the face and also the skull. There is also the dermis of the head and the face. There is odontoblasts, arachnoid and the pia mater. There is a conotruncal septum in the heart. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.